one and get it the best.
No, but
Because we just want to get the sparklers out.
last year was well better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got a ghost. A real ghost.
I've been there for like 3 hours and cooked
Wow.
Yeah, whistlers.
Colourful. I'd say it's the colours of a rainbow.
Not all of it. Purple in there.
Yeah, purple. And white isn't in a rainbow.
Why?
It's not a robo.
Robo town.
Cold?
Cold. I want to go down there.
Yeah, go on, mate.
Cold.
Let's have
Are
a
you
wander.
cold?
Are you
Come
cold, boy?
on, you get down here.
Come on, boy.
Ben of you.
I'm warm.
He's warm. He's a hot
He's a hot man.
man. Go on, Rich. Light it.
Rich, light yeah. Oh, it's coming. That one was tiny. It's only one of those little... Yeah, Catherine wheel on here. Yeah, Catherine wheel on here.
Rubbish.
You'll represent me mum, Catherine.
Johnny, that he's all red.
Mum!
Can't, no, I'm filming you.
Get yourself into a wheel. Get yourself... Right, yeah.
Oh, got that one.
Get yourself on this fence way. Turn yourself into a wheel.
This is John. John's camera. Warm, Johnny. Too warm.
Put my back to it
There's
because my
time
back's
to
cold.
there if you want to chuck it off.
Yeah, chuck it on, go on.
I just found it under my feet.
It's not a part of his fence, is it?
Don't go too near.
Be careful.
Throw it from there.
She's grabbing
Go on, go on.
Hey, straight in.
Oh.
It's just in between those two. Let me go check it out.
Another one.
What do you mean another one?
What is it, a Roman candle or something?
Get something good on.
Haven't they?
Then the shout gets something good on. Yeah?
I say we put Alan on Bonfire. He looks like a Guy Fawkes, doesn't he?
Disgraceful,
He
you
looks
are.
like one from Gummy.
You are disgraceful.
Get the camera going on this one.
This is one that bigger.
Right.
One that bigger.
One Bill.
Oh, is that good? Yeah, that's a ghost, I think.
Which one is it, Rich? Is it Ghost?
One there.
Lewis says it's Ghost.
Oh yeah.
Maybe.
You
I've
won't
never
be
had
if you
one.
come here.
Yeah.
Need to switch top
You
off.
ready?
Hold up there now.
I think you're right, Lewis, it's Ghost.
Watch it.
Wow.
That's it. That's it.
Yeah, there we go.
Was that a ghost, Lewis?
All right.